You are about to make up to 20 to 30,000 naira daily using this crypto arbitrage opportunity that I'm about to share with you guys in today's video. So guys, stay tuned. What's up, beautiful people? In today's video, I'm going to show you the simple step you are going to take using this crypto arbitrage opportunity to make up to 20 to 30,000 naira daily or even more. All right. Now, but before going into this video, I want you to use 3 seconds of your time to smash the like button of this video. Yes, I'm talking to you that is watching this video. Go ahead and like this video to show appreciation of the value you are going to get in today's video. Now, if you're yet to join this beautiful family, do well to smash that subscription button, okay? Yes, smash that subscription button to join this beautiful family, all right? Now, like I said earlier, you are going to get a whole lot of value in today's video, right? Now, in today's video will be a simple step you are going to make up to 20 to 30,000 naira using this crypto arbitrage opportunity. Now, what we are going to be doing in today's arbitrage is we are going to be buying and selling crypto, all right, using two platform. Now, the first platform we're going to be making use of in today's arbitrage is Binance, and the second one, just do well to stick to this video. I'm going to disclose the name of the second platform towards the end of this video. Now, let me quickly log into my Binance account so I will show you the first step you are going to take. All right, so let's go, guys. Now, I'm in my Binance account. Now, the next thing I want you to do, I want you to click over here that says trade. Okay, click here that says trade, and once you click there, the next place I want you to click on is here that says P2P, right? Because we are going to be buying crypto in order to sell using the second platform that I'm going to tell you the name towards the end of this video. Do well to give this video a like if you are yet to like this video. Okay, join this family by smashing the subscription button. Right now, the crypto we're going to be making use of is BTC, okay, over here. So we're going to be buying BTC. Now, if you do have BTC already in your Binance account, then that is very okay. You don't need to be buying another one. You're only going to be setting aside the amount you'll be using for the arbitrage. But if you do not have any crypto at all, any BTC to be precise, in your Binance account, you are going to be making a purchase of some certain amount of BTC in order to engage in this arbitrage. Okay, this is for those that do not have BTC at all in their Binance account. But if you do have, beautiful, just set aside the little you are going to make use of in the arbitrage. Okay, now for those that do not have BTC at all, you just have to click on BTC in order to buy the quantity you are going to use in the arbitrage. Now, in Binance, as you can see, BTC is being sold for 22,428,999 naira. Okay, as you can see it over here, 22,428,999. Okay, that is how much Binance is selling one BTC. Now, I'm not asking you to buy a BTC for this arbitrage. Of course, it's very costly, but if you do have, beautiful. Okay, but if you don't have, you must not buy one BTC, because one BTC is being sold for 22.4 million. Okay, so you are not going to be buying one BTC, rather you are going to be buying some BTC in order to engage in the arbitrage. So let's say you are going to buy maybe 200,000 naira worth of BTC, or maybe 300,000 naira worth of BTC, or maybe 700,000 naira worth of BTC. Okay, that is how much you are going to be buying. Remember, this is arbitrage, and like I always say in all my videos, the higher the capital you are going to use in arbitrage, the higher the profit you are going to be making use of. All right, now you are going to buy BTC and you are going to send it over to the second platform and sell it over there in a high price. Okay, now let's say we must have gotten up to maybe 700,000 naira worth of BTC and we are about to sell. I'm going to show you the next platform you are going to sell this BTC and make a whole lot of money. Okay, now I would want you to give this video a thumbs up to show appreciation of the value you are getting in today's video. If you're yet to subscribe to this channel, do well to click the subscription button to join this beautiful family. All right, let's go, guys. So I'm going to show you the second platform you are going to sell the BTC that you just purchased. Let's go, guys. Now, this is the second platform that we're going to be making use of. All right, now once you log into this platform, this is the interface we are going to see. Now, to access their P2P trade, is either you click over here that says a P2P trade, or you click over here that says OTC. Okay, either ways it is going to lead you to their P2P trade, right? Now, looking at the P2P markets of this platform, you are going to discover that the first person is selling his BTC starting from 25 million naira. Okay, the first person is selling for 25.7 million naira. Why the second person is selling for 27 million naira? So when you look at the first person, you'll discover the person is selling for 25 million naira. So this platform is higher than Binance with 3.3 million naira. Okay, the first merchant you are seeing in this platform is selling his BTC for 25.7 million naira, which means that it is higher than the first merchant at Binance for 3.3 million naira, while the second person is selling for 27 million naira. So this person is selling higher than Binance for like 5 point something million naira. Now the third person is selling for still 27 million naira, while this person is selling for 30 million naira. Now when you look at this person that is selling for 27 million naira, you are going to discover that he has made over 12,000 sales. So imagine how much profit this person must have made. Now the second person or the third person has made over 2,000 sales, while this person has made over 42,000 sales. Okay, now this platform is very, very profitable when it comes to arbitrage, crypto arbitrage. Okay, now what I would want you to do is to send over your BTC from Binance over to this platform in order to sell. Okay, now once you send it to this platform, you are going to increase your price. Okay, you are going to increase your price. Now, not only sending it over to this platform, once you send it over to this platform, for you to appear as merchants in this platform, you are going to create an offer or an ad in order for you to appear as a merchant. Now I'm going to give you a bonus tip at the end of this video. That bonus tip is going to help you or enable you to sell faster. Okay, it's going to enable you to sell faster. It's going to enable you to be the number one merchant in this platform, just like this first person you are looking at here. Okay, now I'm going to show you how you can be able to create an offer or an ad in this platform in order to sell the BTC, the Bitcoin that you just transferred to this platform. So stay with me, guys. Before showing you how to create an offer, I would want you to like this video to show appreciation of the value you are getting from this video. Okay, do it to smash the like button to show appreciation. And if you're still here to join this family, I would want you to go ahead and subscribe to this channel to join this family. And so let me quickly show you how you can be able to create an offer or an ad in order to appear as a merchant and sell your Bitcoin and make profit. Let's go, guys. Now, in order to create an offer or an ad, I would want you to click over here. Okay, now once you click over there, you are going to see a drop down menu. Now the first thing you are going to see is buy Bitcoin with fiat, buy Bitcoin with gift card, start buy, sell Bitcoin with fiat, then create an offer. Now what we are going to be making use of is create an offer. Okay, now once you click on create an offer, you are going to see two options. The first one is post fiat offer, the second one is post gift card offer. Now what we are going to be making use of is the first one, which is our post fiat offer. Now the crypto we are going to sell or we are selling is BTC. Okay, so we're going to leave it at BTC. Now the currency is NGN for the sake of this video. Okay, now the country which you are in is Nigeria. Okay, so if you're in Ghana, choose Ghana. If you're in Kenya, choose Ghana. Whichever country you are, do it to choose your country. Now the next step you are going to take is to select your mode of payment. We have like 3 payment options here left for you to choose. Okay, so let's quickly choose click the first one. So once you click the first one, you are to select the bank you are going to be making use of. Okay, so either bank you are using, whether you are using Access Bank, Cash Deposit, Diamond Bank, FCMB, and the rest of them, choose the bank you are going to use. Okay, now I would recommend you use maybe Cheaper Cash, because Cheaper Cash is recognized in Africa. Okay, so you can choose Cheaper Cash, you can choose Access Bank, depending on the bank you are using, but make sure you select like 3 payment options. So the person that is going to buy the crypto from you will have a varieties of choice or mode of payments. Okay, once you are done choosing your payment option, do where to click on continue and fill in the necessary information required. Now I wouldn't want this video to take time, so if you want me to make a detailed video about creating an offer in this platform, do let me know in the comment section and I'm going to make a separate video for that. Okay, so let's say you must have created an offer and you are going to appear as one of the merchants. Now here comes the bonus tip that I said I'm going to give you. But before giving you this bonus tip, I want you to use 3 seconds of your time to smash the like button of this video to show appreciation of the value you are getting from this video. Yes, just do it to smash the like button to show appreciation. And if you're still here to join this family, go ahead and subscribe to this channel to join this family. Okay, so let me quickly go straight to the bonus tip, which is going to enable you to make a whole lot of money using this platform. So let's go, guys. Now here's the bonus tip. Once you must have sent, let's say, 700,000 naira worth of Bitcoin over to this platform, you are going to increase the amount you will be selling it. Let's say you are going to increase it to 720,000 naira. So if you increase it to 720,000, it means your profit, if you are to sell that Bitcoin worth of 700,000 naira, your profit is going to be 20,000 naira. If you are to increase it to 750,000, that means your profit is going to be 50,000 naira. Okay. Now, after you must have sent it over to this platform and you must have created an ad or an offer, okay, I want you not to be greedy when you are increasing the price you'll be using in selling it. And I know the reason why I say you shouldn't be greedy. I want you to reduce your price. The reason why I said you should reduce your price is for you to be able to appear as the #1 merchant in this platform. When you look at the #1 merchant of this platform, you will see that this merchant is selling his Bitcoin very cheap, unlike every other merchant here. Okay, the cheaper the price you are going to sell, the high chances of you being the #1 person in this platform. And that is the reason why I said you shouldn't be greedy. The aim of selling it very cheap is for us to be getting turnovers. It's for us to be selling it very, very fast so you can be able to be transferring other ones and keep on selling. Okay, so if you are to make it costly, the high chances of you selling it will be very, very slim. So the cheaper the price you are going to be selling it, the higher you are going to sell it very fast. Okay, so we are aiming at turnover. All right, now that's the bonus tip I'm going to tell you. Now for the name of this platform, I'm going to leave the link in the description of this video. Okay, if you did not see in the description of this video, do it to check the comment section. I'm going to leave the link, so click on the link, get yourself registered. Okay, then engage in this arbitrage. It is really, really profitable, and I would want you to jump into it and start making money for yourself. All right, now keep winning, and I would want you to always remember that Leo loves you. See you in my next video. Bye.